Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sahira and this is my buddy Peanut. And today I'm excited for today's video. I'm gonna try for the first time quail eggs and duck eggs. And this is just the regular chicken eggs. And I quickly showed you how I fried them. But if you wanna watch that, that's okay. If not, you could just skip to that part and get to the eating part. Also, I found this. It's cooked salted duck egg. It looks like it's packaged, but it feels like it still has the shell. We're gonna try that again later on. And Mr. Peanut is having beef. Of course, he's gonna smell it. And I'm gonna have some tea with my eggs. Earl Grey tea, my favorite. I'm excited for my egg experience. I'm having chicken eggs. Those are duck eggs. Let's see, does it say chicken eggs? Just regular chicken eggs, duck eggs, and quail eggs. I'm gonna make them quickly and share with you how and give you my opinion how it tastes. Okay, so today it's an exciting day. I'm trying quail eggs for the first time, and I have here duck eggs and chicken eggs. Actually, I should start with let's compare them. Let's compare them first. I'm gonna try to cook them in low heat. So the duck egg and the chicken eggs, they're very similar. The quail eggs are very small. So I'm gonna start with the duck egg. Oh, it's harder to break. Definitely harder and tougher. Okay, this is gonna cut. Oh. Oh, and I broke this yolk. Okay, that's a good one. I'm gonna make one more. I don't want to show on my egg. It's so cute. One more. Why not? And we'll see you soon. The quail egg didn't take too long to cook, so we'll start with that. Cheers. I didn't season them too much at all, actually. I fried them in butter. The butter was salty. The quail egg tastes good. It doesn't taste very strong. It's like eggy, but less egg taste. And by the way, I overcooked it because I don't like my eggs runny, so that's the reason how I did it, why I did this. The duck egg was a little bit it took longer to cook, and yes, see, it's still runny a little bit, but I'm gonna, I don't like runny eggs, but I'm gonna cook it, I'm gonna eat it, see? It took Hmm. It's not bad, even though it's runny. Let me taste small pieces, piece of the normal egg. The egg is the chicken egg. It's cooked through. Yeah, definitely the quail egg is less eggy. It has less eggy taste, and of course, the duck. It's just, to me, it tastes just like normal egg. Actually, let me use my knife. Yeah, it's a little bit runny, but that's okay. It doesn't have that eggy taste. And when I tried to break the duck egg was more rubbery. It was harder to break. It's boiled egg. It says boiled salted duck egg. So let's see. Yes, Peanut, just give me a second. Let me peel my egg. I'll give you. It's definitely, it's harder to peel. And I lost most of the white. So that's how it looks like. The inside is very brown. Oh. Oh. Very different taste. Wow. No. Sorry. It doesn't taste good to me. Very fishy. It tastes fishy and oh no. Definitely. Let me know, please, in the comment if you guys try this. If you ever tried the salted boiled duck egg. No, I don't like it at all. Let me wash it off with some radish. No, definitely, no way. This egg, it doesn't taste like the fresh duck egg, no. They must have added something to it. Let's see. No, it just says cooked salted eggs. Duck eggs. No, I don't like it at all. Sorry, I'm not gonna finish it. Peanut, you liking your beef? Yeah. And I made some home fries. I don't even know how to describe the taste of the boiled salted duck egg. It was fishy and definitely not for me. I added some lemon to the avocado, and I got some of that duck, the peel. The avocado definitely tastes good. And the white, the duck egg, it's definitely thicker and more rubbery, more than the chicken egg. And the quail egg is just very thin, very tender. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had duck eggs. Cheers. I'm not gonna let him try the eggs. I don't think he's gonna like it. He's happy with his he's happy with his own beef, which is good. One more quail egg. The quail egg is so cute. You can eat it in one bite. Normal egg. Yes, Mr. Peanut. Huh. I'll leave it there for you. By the way, I love eating eggs. The last egg, quail eggs. The yolk was so tiny. It didn't took right away. It got cooked. So. Huh. Eat your beef. He's not eating his beef. He's behind me. I think he wants to try again. He wants to try my food. He heard the crunchiness of the radish. No? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you again. Peanut, say bye. Bye. Peanut, give me a kiss. No? Okay. Bye.